Welcome to your Next Ticket Manager onboarding. My name is Alan Bitoon, and I'm your onboarding specialist for Next Ticket Manager. In this video, we'll discuss everything about Next Ticket priority rules. So, what are Next Ticket priority rules? Priority rules are crucial for ensuring that the most critical tasks are always at the top of the queue. In Next Ticket Manager, these rules assign scores to tickets based on criteria that reflect your business priorities, such as urgency, client priority, service level agreements, or other custom parameters set by your organization. These rules are highly flexible, allowing you to adjust them as your processes and client needs evolve. By continuously refining these rules, you can maintain alignment with your priorities. Consistent dispatching is also achieved, ensuring tickets are prioritized fairly and uniformly for all technicians. This results in enhanced accuracy as the rules accurately reflect ticket urgency and importance, minimizing human error from manual dispatching. Priority rules are the core logic of Next Ticket Manager, building on the foundation set by the filters. Once filters have determined which tickets are eligible, priority rules come into play to assess and rank these tickets based on predefined criteria. By using priority rules, Next Ticket Manager ensures that technicians always work on the highest impact tasks first, optimizing the flow of work and enhancing overall efficiency. In essence, priority rules are what drive the decision making process, ensuring that the right tickets are prioritized and addressed in the most effective order. Let us go over the steps on how to set up the Next Ticket priority rules. In the main dashboard of Next Ticket Manager, you have several options to access and manage priority rules. Firstly, there's the Rule Templates dropdown, where you can edit existing rules by clicking the Edit or pencil icon. To create new rule templates, simply select Add New Template from this dropdown. Alternatively, you can click on the Priority Rules link directly on the main dashboard screen. Lastly, you can navigate to the Priority Rules section through Settings by selecting Next Ticket Priority Rules. You'll notice the same drop-downs here as on our main screen. The Technician drop-down is particularly useful for testing the rules you've configured without needing to navigate back to the main screen. To test the rules, at the top, you'll find a Test All button that allows you to test all the rules at once. This will enable you to view all the tickets from a selected filter along with a breakdown of points for each ticket. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that the tickets presented to your technicians are accurate. You'll notice that most rules come with a description. To view the conditions set up for each rule, simply click on it for more details. This allows you to check the points assigned to each rule and make edits if necessary. To add a new condition, click on the plus icon to include it in the rule. Configure your conditions by selecting options from the drop-down menus provided in some rules. Don't forget that you can specify the points assigned to each condition you've added. You can manually set the points assigned to a rule here. Additionally, you have the option to use negative values to deduct points if needed. Feel free to customize the rules for each condition according to your preference. You can also test the rule you're configuring directly within the rule interface. By clicking on the eye icon next to the rule, you can test its functionality and view the points assigned to each ticket in the current filter you've selected. This feature allows you to determine if the rule is assigning points effectively and if it's suitable for the current filter selected. After configuring your rule, remember to hit Save to ensure your changes are saved. Testing the rule will also save the current configuration automatically. You also have the option to create your own rule using the Add Custom Rule feature located at the top. Here, you can specify a name and description for the rule you're creating. Next, add the conditions for the rule. You can include group conditions or single conditions, similar to setting up filters. And choose the desired conditions from the fields available in your PSA. Similar to standard rules, you have the flexibility to add as many conditions to your rule as needed. After configuring your conditions, assign the appropriate points for the rule. You can also specify whether the points should be added daily, hourly, or by minute, depending on the option you select here. After setting up your rule, remember to save it, and if needed, enable it by toggling the switch. Similar to standard rules, you can test the rule to ensure it assigns points accurately and aligns with your current process. You may notice that some rules are highlighted. These are our recommended rules. As you're just getting started with Next Ticket Manager, we suggest incorporating these into your process for the best results. Additionally, you might not see all the rules on this screen by default. Inactive rules are hidden to keep the interface clean. To view these, simply uncheck the box labeled Hide Inactive Custom Rules. This will display all available rules, allowing you to review and assess them as needed. And that is how we set up the priority rules for Next Ticket Manager.